Hello and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is me, Iman Fatma, and this video is about picture description. Look at the picture and tell about it. Okay, first of all, you have to look at the picture carefully for 10 to 15 seconds and describe the given picture in your own words. So, let's start. This is the picture of a park. There are many children in the park. An old man and woman are standing and looking at the children. The old man holding a stick. There are many flowers, tree, swing and a bench in the park. One boy is cycling. One boy and one girl are sitting on the grass and playing with blocks. The sun is shining brightly. One boy is running with his dog. There are many butterflies on the flowers. Two girls are playing on swings. One girl is sitting on the bench with his brother. There are two apples and one pear on the bench. The weather is sunny. All the kids are looking very happy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.